Hey, my name is Porsha. My name is Porsha. My name is Porsha. Hey, my name is Porsha. And thanks for visiting my channel.
What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be washing this dirty mane of mine. As you guys can see, I'm still rocking. This is a 4-week flat iron, and my hair is pretty dry. My scalp is pretty dirty, which I'm going to show you guys. Look at that dryness. I definitely need some moisture. Look at that, all those flakes, cornflakes. I'm going to use a wide tooth comb to just comb out like any kinks or anything that's in my hair from it being in a ponytail and stuff like that. Always a wide tooth comb. You will not catch me combing out my hair with anything other than a wide tooth comb. You're definitely going to notice a trend of me separating my hair into 4 sections. I definitely recommend this to anybody pretty much, but especially if you have thick hair. This allows you to, make smaller sections so that you can focus on a smaller group of hair so that overall you can make sure your hair is properly combed out. Alright, now we're all combed out. As you guys can see, it actually looks just a little bit better than when I first took it out of the ponytail. Next, I like to go ahead and dunk my head in the water and get my hair all wet before I shampoo it. Do you guys like to do that as well? I know it can be a thing, like do you like to wet your toothbrush first or put the toothpaste on then wet it? Like, I know that can be a thing with hair as well. So do you like to wet your hair first then shampoo, or shampoo and then wet your hair for the first time? I'm going to use these cotton hair ties to separate my hair into 4 sections. Always use cotton or some kind of fabric hair ties, you guys. Never use rubber. Rubber breaks your hair off, and if you want to retain length and keep your hair healthy and, kind of stop breakage or keep your hair from breaking, cotton hair ties are the way to go. I like to separate my hair when I shampoo as well, because it helps me once again be able to focus on smaller sections of my hair since my hair is so thick. Also, while I'm shampooing, you'll see that I'm also kind of like scrubbing or massaging my scalp. I'm doing it with the tip of my fingers, not my fingernail, so that I don't hurt or irritate my scalp. While I was massaging my scalp with my fingers, I noticed that I had a lot of buildup on my scalp, so I decided to go in with my wide tooth comb and scrub my scalp a little more just to make sure I was lifting all of the dirt that was on my scalp. It's time to rinse, baby. Get all that dirt and that shampoo out of your hair, girl. At this point, I felt like I had been rinsing my hair forever. Thankfully, my kitchen sink has a spray nozzle, so I went ahead and grabbed that thing to help me speed up the process of rinsing all the shampoo out of my hair. If you guys have one of these on your sink, girl, go ahead and reach for it because this thing is a lifesaver. To wring out my hair, I like to go from the base of my neck down to the ends of my hair, and I'll just squeeze it because my hair is like a sponge. It pretty much soaks up water or anything that goes in it. After the wash, I can already see that the moisture has been revived in my hair from using this Shea Moisture shampoo. I got my texture back. Look at that hair, you guys. Time to condition. Give me all that moisture, honey. Back at it again, starting to separate that hair into those 4 sections again, you guys. Take notes. It's key. Separate that hair so you can focus on a smaller group so that overall your hair as a whole will be healthy. Okay, so I like to detangle before every process. So I detangle before shampooing. Now I'm detangling before conditioning. As you can see, especially if your hair is a more coarse texture, always comb from the bottom to the top and then comb all the way through from the top to the bottom. If you guys follow those combing instructions, by the time you're finished combing out your hair, you will see that there is a very minimal amount of your hair actually in the comb. So less breakage, guys. While I waited for my hair to condition, I decided I wanted to take my moisture to the next level. So I took some coconut oil and some fresh aloe vera and mixed it up. This aloe vera plant I bought a week ago, but I put it in the freezer because I saw that it was starting to maybe go a little bit bad. So today I actually thawed it out. This is my first time using fresh aloe vera in my hair, so let's see what this is about. Y'all, this got messy really quick. I think it's because I had frozen the aloe vera plant, so I decided to finish off camera. Okay, so my hair has been conditioning in these 2 little plastic shower cap bags for about 45 minutes. These shower cap bags I got from Sally's, It was like a pack of like maybe 10 of them for, I think it was no more than $5 for those shower caps. Do y'all see that moisture, y'all? She juicy. This is what that Shea Moisture can do for you. Y'all, my hair is so moisturized. Look at it. I love it. Moisture. Back at it again with the 4 sections. I went ahead and rinsed the aloe vera and coconut oil mix out of my hair, and then I went ahead and wrapped it up in this towel. So you guys, I'll go ahead and unwrap it. Oh no, I don't like that. I had read about that. Gross. Alright, so as you can see, using aloe vera, like fresh aloe vera in your hair, leaves like these little pieces of aloe vera in your hair. So I'm gonna have to go back in and really use my my squirt nozzle on my sink to get this stuff out of my hair, because I definitely don't want to be walking around with white stuff in my hair. But overall, my hair feels so healthy and back to life. It feels moisturized and I'm so happy. So this is actually going to end my video for my hair wash routine. If you liked it, you guys, please go ahead and give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more hair videos. Overall, what I can say, because this was my first time using aloe vera in my hair, I didn't really like the smell of it, but I'm not sure if that's because I had frozen the aloe vera plant when I got it last week and thawed it out today to use it, if the like greeny vegetable smell was more potent, because when it was fresh before I put it in the freezer, I really didn't notice a like real deep green smell. But I don't like that smell for my hair. Of course, it's a plant, so it's going to smell like that, but I don't like that smell for my hair. But overall, my hair is very moisturized.